Replacing the light strip of a watch window is easy and can be done with the right tools and instructions. Here are the steps to replacing light strip in a watch window. Gently remove the 6 protection battles and use Swedish screwdriver to take all screws out. Gently pry it open with a tool and the whole board will be completely removed. Put the board on the tower to prevent any parts from being square. You can use corner screwdriver or Finnish screwdriver. Unscrew these 5 screws. Put out the motor. Remove the watch card and take out the ear pad inside the holder. Use Finnish screwdriver to take out the screw in the middle of the turntable. Put out the rotor. Unscrew these 2 screws from the light strip. Carefully disconnect the wires for the 14 light strips from the circuit board. Take note of where each wire was connected, as you will need to reconnect the new light strip in the same way. Take the new light strip and secure it with screw. Connect the wires in the exact same way the old one was connected. Put the inner rubber cap back to the original position. Tighten the screw and put in the black area pad. Take the motor and secure it with screw. Plugging in the watch window to a power source. Once you are sure the new light strip is working correctly, remove the power source and reattach the watch window's ball. Tighten all the screws and fit the protection back doors. That's it. You have successfully replaced the light strip of your watch window.